तो ये है ही हमारे सोसाइटी में इशू दैट अ वुमन हैज टू टेक 5 एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप्स टू प्रूव देमसेल्व्स। बहुत सारी मॉम्स हैं जो इसको एज एन एक्सक्यूज यूज करते हैं दैट आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ मदर तो यार फिर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ जाती है, इतना काम बढ़ जाता है, यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट। सोनिया, इट वाज ए 180 degree turn from what I was versus what I became. So I was pulling literally 20-hour shifts. Physically, I was drained, and I also think that socially, I was quite isolated. 44% of women mentioned that they could not work or could not join their job back because of the lack of daycare facilities, a lack of support. I think that somewhere you can't be like a feminist throughout. Like you have to be practical. हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मॉम्स अनम्यूटेड। आज हम उस टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जिससे बहुत सारी मॉम्स रिलेट करेंगी, दैट इज बैलेंसिंग मदरहुड एंड पैशन। एंड टुडे वी हैव विद अस आवर गेस्ट Shruti Mehta, the founder of the Cookie Po. She's a mother of two and a successful entrepreneur. Her journey is filled with determination, challenges and lot many things. And आज हम इस एपिसोड में बात करने वाले हैं what all challenges she faced as a mother, some practical tips for moms who want to follow their passion, who want to start their own business, and a lot more. This is going to be an inspiring episode. So stay tuned till the end. Hi, Shruti. Welcome to Moms Unmuted. So, for our audience, if you can give us a brief introduction about yourself, about your business. Thank you, Sonia, for having me here. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, chatting about everything. To begin with, I am a Guju, born and bred in Korea. And for quite some time, I was in the US. I spent my entire 20s there. Pursuing my education there, got a job, and the same old things. But then, before having Shivansh, my firstborn, we decided to move back to India. We wanted him to be around his dad, parents, and we wanted to sort of, get a new, fresh take on our lives. We wanted to quit our jobs and wanted to start our own businesses. My husband and I. So Ronak and I decided to move back to India about when I was 7 months pregnant. It was like rekindling old ties. So it took us good 2 years to settle in. And plus that time we were moving back after 15 years. Then there was a kid to take care of, new businesses. वो सब चक्कर में it was quite a hectic time for us. So how was your life before becoming a mother in US? Right. How did it change? The एकदम complete change in there. I think Sonia, it was a 180 degree turn from what I was versus what I became. Physically तो given ही है, but mentally, emotionally, it was just a different space. And initially, I struggled a lot. Even though I was prepared for this, but I did not know it would hit me so hard. Physically, there's a big change. I was a fitness freak before. I was very much into fitness, gymming, and everything while I was working at a company. But then, yeah, okay, with everything around culturally, also we were settling into a completely different country after 12 years. So it was everything together. It had become a bit of a hodgepodge, I would say. So 2 years of बहुत ही tough थे for me. Then COVID hit. Aye. So when I relate my motherhood and the first time that I became a mom to be very challenging. I was not happy just being home and doing what I was doing at that time. So then I decided to start my business. That's how Cookie Co was born. How did you come to decide कि मुझे ये ही करना है? This entire decision was done overnight, but planning उसका काफी time से हो रहा था. Like, I would say 6 months I was just thinking about, it was more like कुछ करना है. From college days I was working. I never stopped working till I was 29. So I'd already started thinking about what I wanted to do. Plus food, I knew exactly that मुझे food line में बड़ौदा से ही काम करना है and I want to start a business जो scalable. And US में I had this nostalgia of having cookies right out of like a pizza box. हमारे गाँव के बाजू में था when I was in college. Late night cookies मंगानी and having that with cold milk. So my thought was always about कि कुछ भी करना हो homegrown नहीं रहना चाहिए. It should be recognized nationally. So then obviously I told Rona that night that I would start a cookie business and I can name my business The Cookie Co. My target customers were all our generation people who understood the difference, who knew the value of it. But now we are at a point where we are aggressively doing a lot of brand awareness activities. So because we are available in many outlets and many cities now, so that's a different ballgame. But that starting off was very tough. ऐसा trust building हुआ after COVID where people had gone back into their share of only ranked items that were safe that time. Now, उस time पे Instagram was also picking up, like reels and also thriving in 2018 में. So I think I would count ourselves as worst of the was in this business. And now you find a lot of cookie companies. Coming back to why Cookie Co, it was just a purpose that was a long lasting dream of mine as a child that I wanted to get into a food business. I started with a 30,000 rupees ka invest. I got an oven, small oven, Bajaj ka, and got it at my mom's mother-in-law's kitchen. We had our own oven as well. That's how I started in Christmas. I never stopped product development and innovation. That was something I did side by side because even I was not personally happy with my first, uh, you know, round of cookies that I started with. But people started buying. They started seeing value in it. Then slowly, a larger population started ordering gift orders from us. So that's how word of mouth happened. Then came educating the target customers. So we started talking about how our cookies are New York style cookies. So they're not the flat cookies or they're not like biscuits or crunchy. They have a shorter shelf life. They're soft cookies, but they're very travel friendly. Then we started targeting Gen Z because that's like the aspiring market that we are approaching. Then, of course, third party aggregator played a very big role in our open development, started becoming accessible. The biggest gap I saw, Sonia, there was that there are a lot of home bakers. There are a lot of like these boutique shops of desserts in Baroda. But accessibility is not there. Like, if you call them up and you place an order, it's not like you can get it right away. Correct. And in this day and age, impulse buying is at its peak. So what we did is that while our product was unique, we made it accessible. Then we started our website online. So then we started selling our cookies pan-India. So yeah, now I know like cookie को हमने कैसे idea से you converted it to a brand. So let me talk about motherhood. What challenges did you face in balancing your motherhood and launching a business? So initially, this mindset of balancing that only chewed half of one thing. And कैसे balance करना है. But I feel like it was more of juggling. So there were days when I didn't see Shivansh for almost a day. And then there were days where I put my work aside and I was with him through it. But I think because I was also a new mom at Shivansh, we were just still trying to figure out how this motherhood works. The biggest challenge was managing business vulnerabilities with the day-to-days of your child. When in India, वो है थोड़ा society में कि when you're a mom and if your child is so small, you're expected to be around. He was 1 year. He was one. Exactly 1 month. So he was November we turned one and December I started. So it was like in a month's time we took off. So it was like a challenging phase for the entire family. We were living with my in-laws. So even my in-laws were trying to, support me in whichever form possible. But they were also trying to figure out that why is she not around? She should be the one doing this part of her month. Like so, there was a lot of transitional phase where थोड़ा बहुत मुझे भी adjust करने में problem हुआ था. Guilt factor तो रहता ही है. But somewhere what I used to do is that the whole day I would be with Shimansh. And then रात को when he sleeps, the kitchen is empty, when everybody is down. तब 11 बजे I would start my production till 5 in the morning. Oh. So I was pulling literally 20-hour shifts in the and there were days that he would fall sick. You know how after 1 year, once the kid starts walking, running, and exploring, we are prone to sicknesses. So that was also the time when he had lost a lot of weight. He was, sick the whole time and he would not eat. So that stress and a new business ka stress together was just something that I really wish, was not there. But so और इन सब चीज़ों ने आपके मेंटल हेल्थ पे या फिजिकल हेल्थ पे
Yeah, so I would say that mentally I was elated. I was enjoying myself, and that pushed me to do what I was doing. But physically, I was drained. And I also think that socially, I was quite isolated. Like, I could not attend all the functions, I could not be around everywhere. I could not, I was just not there. So I would say I had taken a step back from my social networking, but I was there for my child and I was there for my business.
बैलेंस जो वर्ड है, बैलेंसिंग मदरहुड, बैलेंसिंग वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इज़ अ मिथ, या कोई सच में परफेक्टली उसको बैलेंस कर सकता है?
I think for me, it was never the case of balancing because I think it's a mix for me. I accepted that fact that eventually, some days, I may not see my son. So, but good thing is that I have a good support system. Like my mother-in-law is very hands-on. So, I know that he's in safe hands.
Correct.
You know, he's not alone somewhere. He's in safe hands, or he's with my husband. He's very attached to his grandparents. So, dada dadi ke saath and all. So I was very satisfied with that. Chalo, he's not with me, but I've kept him in a safe zone. He's enjoying himself, and maybe he's not missing his mom. So that was a good aspect of it. There have been times where I'm not around at all, but then there are times that I'm there with him throughout. So I think it's quality over quantity. So what
Prioritize.
Sarah was saying, I see that because if internally you're not happy, you can physically be there, but if physically you're there but mentally you're not engaging with your child, then that's the worst possibility. इससे अच्छा है you do what makes you happy, you take care of that. I have this one thing in me that okay, जितना हो सके if I'm in town, I will go and pick up Shivansh and I will go and drop him off to school for that 2 hours in the middle that he's go having his snacks. I'm gonna. But then the minute he's at the court, I'm back to work. And it's funny, I'm not even mentioning my second one. Her name is Shaista. She's very independent and she was born when I was practically how old? She's 1.5. So she was born when I was down with one outlet. And she was 3 months old when I started Surat. So she has always seen me as a working mom. Whereas Shivansh was very attached to me because I breastfed him for a very long time. Plus, he was 1 year tak I was home with him. So that attachment and bond was different.
जैसे मैंने पूछा होम गिल्ट, ये सारी चीज़ें तो डेफिनेटली आती है एक मदर की लाइफ में। बट डू यू थिंक दैड्स आल्सो फील दैट वे?
Like, it's more like पूरा हमारा frustration हम उन पे डालते हैं because smallest of the thing, like for instance, very small thing, if I go into a meeting with a supplier and maybe a lot of times as women when you're sitting there on a negotiation table, it is very if you're not confident, then they don't perceive you seriously. Correct. So initially, it used to happen with me a lot. So every time I would come home and maybe I've not had a good meeting or something that's happened in the kitchen, and I would take that out on Ronak, the first thing I would say that you won't understand. You're not a woman, you know. But I think that's not right to say. I think it's like a partner. It's a story with everyone. So I think, but they are equally like my husband has been a very big. He's been a catalyst in my growth. He has given me the vision that you can do it. And of course, then my in-laws were also there, my side of the parents. So that way, we have been lucky that our support system that on both the sides have been equally strong. And on top of that, my husband has been a catalyst.
एंड अगर ये सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं होता प्रेजेंट, देन जो श्रुति ने अभी जो स्टेप्स लिए या जो परस्यू किया, वुड यू डू द सेम?
Difficult to say, Soumya, because I feel that yeah, our support system is very important. Like if you look at, I've come from US, so US में overall the ecosystem is very organized, assuming women will go to work. So वहाँ का system देख के मुझे यहाँ थोड़ा frustrating लगता था कि वहाँ there that many good preschools, professional schools that daycares, that can take care of the children. So then women are not stuck at home just because there is no support system around.
तो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली एक आर्टिकल भी पढ़ा था, उसमें डेटा स्टैटिस्टिक्स यही बताता है दैट 44% of women mentioned that they could not work or could not join their job back because of the lack of daycare facilities, a lack of support.
And it's like a chain of it's a domino effect. When a woman is not able to pursue their career, eventually उनको यही लगता है कि they are not adequate enough. They're inadequate because they're not contributing in the family in some way. But they forget to realize that they are contributing by taking care of their children and the household.
ऐसा कोई point आया when you had this, burnout and you felt like giving up everything and नहीं मुझे नहीं करना मैं नहीं कर पा रही.
So there were two instances. One happened during COVID. After COVID was fun time, and luckily we had a cloud kitchen, so we could sustain ourselves in that setup for 2 months. No salary, no income, but we had to pay our salaries and so sustain ho gaya. But COVID के बाद suddenly everything opened up. So that urge of ki nahi, now you're missing out, we have to start. Usme we took up a lot of many corporate orders that had to be fulfilled in a matter of a month's time. See, June May everything opened up, May, June, May. So then when people started going out is when people started falling sick.
Correct.
तो उस टाइम पे हमारे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था. मेरी entire team was down with COVID. I was the only one who was negative. So 2 बार टेस्ट कराया and everything, but that was also the first time तो VMC आके हमारी cloud kitchen बंद कर दिया था, and everybody around got alerted. So it was like a very stressful time for me because that time I didn't have a full-fledged team. I was running this business on a small scale, but then I'd taken up this corporate order that I had to fulfill, and if I did not, then it would just look bad upon my brand. And I'm glad that I didn't think as a small business owner. I could have easily told them that, hey, this has happened and I cannot do it. Instead, what I did is I took up the order, I shifted the waste kitchen, I hired new staff, and we did the entire production from my house. And the staff also, we had limited time. So literally, I churned 5,000 cookies by myself and with the help of another staff, raat ko running production. So we sanitized the place, got the equipment shifted to my place, and मेरे kitchen से मैंने वो पूरा production किया था. The second was now where we are in that growth phase, Sonia. So it's almost like now from an entrepreneur, I've become a business person. Now to think about salaries, I have to think about taxes, rent, CA की visit, ये वो, bank. Those things have also part and parcel of my life now. Well, it was like a passionate entrepreneur just pursuing a dream. Now it is running a business to make it profitable and to be answerable to my investor. So that's a whole different working.
So there are many new moms who want to do something, but they don't have that support system या फिर daycare facilities या nannies पे trust नहीं करते because that is the major thing मुझे लगता है इंडिया में nannies पे इतना लोग trust नहीं करते हैं daycare facilities बहुत organized नहीं है especially यहाँ अगर हम देखेंगे तो so वो कैसे अपना business start कर सकते हैं या कैसे they can start doing something that they want to do.
So, two things. एक तो कि you have to take care of yourself first. If you lack energy, if you're deficient of some, this is more like on the medical side I'm going because I went through it. Some days, you do feel like you're low, you can't do it. And technically, we are humans, and if you're a young mom, you can do a lot of more things than you think you can do in your day-to-day. It's just like with children around, your stress levels are high. हमने बहुत research study paper देखे हैं. They say that I think it's the cortisol, right? Your levels are much higher when you're with kids. So that is something that takes over your entire energy out of you. So if first get yourself checked, get your health in line so that if at all your child is your priority, but you want to start something on your own, then mentally and physically you are capable of doing that extra leg of work that you have to. See, I told you now that the whole day I was actually with my little one because he was very attached.
Okay.
But then Raat ko is when I was doing what I wanted to do. So it was on the morning I was a mom, and Raat ko I started focusing on my business. So I would say that is something you have to be willing to take that extra step. Regardless of what the support system is, आप वो push कर सकते हो. And this day and age, a lot of businesses do start from home. Secondly, without a support system, if your work entails a lot of traveling and all, then mentally be ready that maybe first 2 years, focus on the child. Once the child is at this level, everything is not forever. मैंने भी when I was 31, 30 is when I started my own business. It's too late in the game. to start. You would think that to start your own business, you know. But I did that because that time I was ready mentally to step away from my child and do other things along with even more. So mentally you have to be aligned. Like if you feel that those are nahi kar paoge, then it's okay. You won't give too much pressure on you. Don't put yourself in that situation where you feel that you're running out of time. There's no such in this day and age. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अगर 35 पे business चालू करोगे तो it's going to be less less proficient.
बहुत सारी मॉम्स हैं जो इसको एज एन एक्सक्यूज यूज करते हैं दैट आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ मदर तो यार फिर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ जाती है, इतना काम बढ़ जाता है, यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट.
Right. So I think it's managing the time and mentally being ready that okay, 2 साल आप नहीं कर सकोगे, then you prepare yourself. Like example is COVID में I was down with COVID and I was in this quarantine for 10 days. But I was physically very active because it was a very slight infection. तो मैंने क्या किया, I was getting agitated यार घर पे बैठ के लॉकडाउन में. So I took up a couple of baking classes online. So it's about how you allocate your time, you know, efficiently. वो आपको सीखना है. And also ये है ही हमारे सोसाइटी में issue that a woman has to take 5 extra steps to prove themselves versus a man can step out of the college and be ready to act with the business. Correct. हमारे लिए we have to prove ourselves. And it took me some time for my family to trust what I was doing, where I can today step out of the house with the confidence that, you know, today Shivansh and Shasta will be at my mom's place or my mother-in-law's place. And I won't feel that guilt because I know even my business needs that attention. Very few years, I was not confident enough of doing that. I was feeling shy. I felt like I should be the one looking after them. Why am I sending them to my in-laws or my parents? But वो एक mindset भी change करना है हमें as the women to be more confident in the approach.
जैसे आपने बोला there's a lot of societal expectations या pressures रहते हैं. So when you started या अभी भी in your initial years of business, so were there any societal pressures या लोग बोलते हैं कि यार बच्चा इतना छोटा है कैसे आप उसको छोड़ के जा सकते हो काम पे, and there are so many expectations. So how did you take those things?
सोसाइटल प्रेशर तो पहले से था, पर आई थिंक कोई सामने से बोलता नहीं. I did not face any drastic, like upfront remarks about. But I'm sure, like there were other mothers maybe seeing me hustling and probably missing a couple of meetings or dropping a ball here or there, or sometimes patterns of your child's behavior also describe a lot of things. So I will not lie. Like sometimes I do feel that Shivansh का जो thought process और नज़रिया है, it's very advanced and modern. But then there are days where he does feel like he misses his mom. But it's part and parcel of it. So I feel that वो सब देख के भी I'm sure लोग होंगे ही जो बात करते हो. But I think that as long as you have your core group around you supporting you, फिर उनसे जो भी lashback है वो ले लेना चाहिए. I think that somewhere you can't be like a feminist throughout. Like you have to be practical. Like some days, yeah, you may get a lashback from your mother. Like sometimes I'm like, now you take her. I need to go somewhere. ऐसा भी होता है. So those are things that are part and parcel.
नहीं, बहुत बार ऐसे भी होता है कि यार मुझे ही क्यों, मेरे हस्बैंड को भी
हाँ,
टाइम देना चाहिए. उनको तो नहीं फील होता है कि नहीं मुझे घर पे रह के बच्चे का ध्यान रखिए, बट व्हेन आई एम एट माय वर्क मुझे कॉन्स्टेंटली ध्यान रहता है कि अभी उसका स्कूल, कल उसको ये भेजना है, दिस मटेरियल हैज टू बी सेंट, ये क्लास है और ये मिस हो रही है.
बीच में आई गॉट लाइक मुझे कोई अवार्ड मिला था फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का. एंड वो अवार्ड लेने तो मैं नहीं जा पाई थी. पर अवार्ड जब हाथ में मिला, इन 5 minutes आई वाज डूइंग लॉन्ड्री बिकॉज the maid have not come. So when my mother-in-law called me, it's like, congratulations, beta. I was like, yeah, mama, but right now I'm doing this. So she also laughed.
सारी मोम्स जो अपने मदर इन लॉ और उनके पास के अपने बच्चे छोड़ के जाते हैं ना, तो दे हैव दैट फीलिंग, वो लैक ऑफ ट्रस्ट, कि मैं नहीं चाहती मेरा बच्चा ये सीखे या वो ये खाए, एंड दे टेंड टू ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, हाउ दे टेंड टू थोड़ा सा स्पॉइल करना, वो सारी चीजें रहती हैं.
Yes. I don't think about, yeah, so I do get, sometimes I tell my boss कि नहीं ये नहीं करना. But at one point, sometimes I also give up कि यार चलेगा. For me, sometimes them being in the loved network is better then following routine.
So what do you think self care कितना important है mothers के लिए?
It is the crux of everything. I must say, currently I'm not in that zone. I also have my phases. Like some days, sometimes when I had a steady routine, I would go to the gym. I would focus on a cardio activity in the day and everything. But some days, business takes such a big toll on you, and then you have your kids on top that you don't want to spend 1 hour in the gym away from your child if you're. So I'm not in that phase where I'm in self care mode, but I do make it a point of mentally being occupied with something else other than my business, so that at least that's not the only thing I'm consumed by. So I meet up with my friends, like my core group of friends, and I push myself. Like on a regular day, I would refrain from doing that on a weekday. But abhi, because we are in that spirit of holiday season, I'm enjoying it. And I think that's important. And that's the benefit of staying in India. दिन कितना भी बुरा हो, रात को you can go to a tea house, or you can hang out with your friends for some time, have a cup of coffee, come back home and sleep on time. वैसा ही एक है culture है, which I appreciate.
If you compare India and US as a mother, tell me one good thing that you think is better in India and one thing that you feel is better in US.
I think your family and the social networking your child gets exposed to at a very early age. US में वो नहीं है. Families are not around, and there are a very small chunk of family members that are around. And so the child is very used to just a small network of people around him. Whereas with our kids here in India, they are acquainted with the neighbors, they're acquainted with the buswala, they're acquainted with the maids, they're acquainted with the extended family, Masi, Chachi. One bad thing is that about
One thing that is better in US.
better in US. Where we are very happy here. So I've never seen something that I feel is better there than not here. I would say the education structure and the opportunity of doing things without spending a lot of money. Like that's something that in US they have better. They've figured it out. Like वहाँ Sunday का culture, Saturday का culture काफी prevalent है. So parents and kids you all go out, कुछ apple picking कर लिया, या तो फिर कोई park में जाके picnic मनाया.
आजकल दोनों वर्किंग पेरेंट्स हैं सो देयर मेनी पेरेंट्स आर वेरी निग्लेक्टफुल बच्चों को लेके दे डोंट मतलब उनको पता ही नहीं है कि बच्चा क्या कर रहा है दे नो कि हाँ कोई है उनको संभालने के लिए उन लोगों को ध्यान नहीं रहता है कि बच्चा क्या कर रहा है मैं उसको ध्यान दूँ या वट एवर या बच्चा बच्चा इज ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट विद द पेरेंट बट द पेरेंट इज बिजी इन हर इन हिज वर्क सो बहुत सारे आजकल बच्चे हैं जो छोटी एज में दे आर गोइंग थ्रू एंजाइटी डिप्रेशन सो पेरेंट्स को क्या ध्यान में रखना चाहिए
I would say that just keep an eye full. I mean, for me as a working mom, this is a very big anxiety talk. But I personally share ki, sometimes I feel like, oh, my son today reacted in this manner. Is it because of me? I did something wrong. So I would say that जो पेरेंट्स का schedule ज़्यादा hectic होता है, they have a bigger social network, or they have work is as big a priority, and kids, uh, time, give whatever time you're giving your child, give that 100%. Form a habit of doing things that associates your presence, and the child knows that ये मैं पापा के साथ भी करूँगी, या तो ये this is something I do with my mom. So then they develop. This is what I have realized with my kids, is that they develop good memories around those things.
So let's come back to women in business. So there are many women out there who want to start their own business. Some practical tips कि वो business start करने से पहले, वो step लेने से पहले, what all research and what all things they should keep in mind.
Um, I think first and the most obvious thing would be that think about the businessman, and whether you're a mom or not, वो business plan will help you structure the business in the right direction. और वो business plan में आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपका scope कितना बड़ा होने वाला है, क्या है. So it will help you set your expectations about yourself and about other people around you who's going to take care of your child when you are not around. So understanding the business, uski tricks and trades. So that is something you have to take in mind. Who's going to be your target market? So these are our business tips 101 that everyone will tell you that ये चीज़ आपको करनी ही है वो. But mentally be prepared to be exhausted. Mentally be prepared to have that मेंटल हेल्थ को ध्यान में रखना. Like, don't get carried away with the hustle of starting your own business and then having kids around. Be prepared that you will be juggling both the things at the same time. So create a system around you that helps you thrive in both the directions.
So, what's one unexpected lesson you've learned from your kids that has directly influenced how you run Kuvibo?
So again, Shivaj has seen me grow in this business, and he's 6.5 now. So he's seen how I have done from ground zero to where I am. So I think one thing I've learned is that our kids are watching us. Like there are certain jargons he uses in his day-to-day life, day-to-day activities, things he picks up from what I'm talking. If Ronak and I are having a conversation about my business, he has started picking up on those jargons. And one thing I've noticed is that why he may show dissatisfactory attitude towards you. Because we are not around, and Mama, you're never around, and Mama, today though you have to spend time. We're always on the phone. But when I see him in a social setup where he's with other friends and somewhere cookie ko ka topic aata hai, ya to they are enjoying our cookies, he is my advocate. Like he promotes my business as if it is his. That my mom makes the best cookies, and so internally he's very proud that I own Cookie Co and I've done so much in the business. But when it comes to showing me, he doesn't show it. He shows it in different way. Correct? So I think that's something that I've taken away from it is that don't get that mommy guilt into it because your kids are seeing you succeed. They're seeing you work hard every day, and eventually they will become that. So I feel that they are observing you, so your actions will come.
The any last advice that you would like to give to the new moms, mothers who are staying at home, working moms who are at job, who are doing their own business?
I think introspection. If you're a working mom, accept your situation and sail with it. Don't try to plan every small detail of your life and your child's life. So essentially, not be too hard on yourself. I would say for say a stay-at-home mom, I'll say that you're doing amazing, and if you feel that this is your calling, then unapologetically accept it and be who you are. Don't think about society can be harsh. True. A working mom ke liye, it is more like ki, how are you looking after your child? You're anyways going to get lashes. So it's better to just accept your situation the way you want it to be and be happy in it rather than thinking about what others. Because we are always going to be criticized no matter what.
Anything that you want to say to the families or to the husbands?
Husband, and support them. Support your wives. I think nowadays, you'll be surprised that they can contribute so much. I think give your wives some credit and let them bloom in their own manner. And they may be thinking outside the box, which we women are. It's in our DNA to think outside the box because you're constantly juggling your multitaskers. We're not, when we're thinking about a business, we have to think of it's not a straight from here to यहाँ जाने के लिए I'm going to do these things. We have to tackle so many other challenges, family challenges, kids, looking after our family, kids, house, जो भी है, उसके साथ business को grow करना है कि उसके साथ आपको कोई job करनी है. So it requires a new level of
Enrichment altogether.
yeah. So encourage your wives to be because ultimately it's going to be family income. If your wife is independent, that's going to only help your kids to be independent in the future. Instead of setting this norm that you forcefully have to sit at home. वैसा अभी in this modern day है कि I don't think it's the right thing for the true family to view.
नहीं बट स्टिल देयर आर मेनी मॉम्स जिनके मुझे स्पेशल मैसेजेस आते हैं कि नहीं आप ये सब कर पा रहे हो बट हमको कोई सपोर्ट ही नहीं करता मेरे पास कोई फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं है मेरा हस्बैंड भी सपोर्ट नहीं करते तो मैं क्या करूँ सो दे गो इनटू द स्टेट ऑफ डिप्रेशन जहाँ पे दे थिंक वी आर नॉट वर्दी
So yes, it's a cycle you don't want to get in. Right? I would want the mothers to not get into that cycle. In fact, get out of the postpartum as quickly as possible if you're a stay-at-home mom or if you're a new mom. Because once you get into the cycle, you habituate yourself to think that. फिर अगर ऐसा नहीं भी हो कि थोड़ा भी आपको लीव आप नहीं कर पाओगे बिकॉज़ मेंटली यू आर थिंकिंग एंड यू आर इनकॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ डूइंग सम सो better to get out of that zone as fast as possible so you know you are ahead of the goal.
And do what you love, किसी को दे.
हाँ, exactly. Agree, yeah. And I think that we women have to have that fighting spirit. You know, not necessarily that people who are supporting who were supporting you back then also. You know, things change. So I think event थोड़ा बहुत struggle रहता ही है to prove yourself.
Correct.
But if that means that you are doing something that you love and आगे चल के it is going to benefit you, तो initially have the heart of fighting it through. Don't give up.
And the best example is
Kind of
see here. I hope ये episode बहुत सारी moms को inspire करने वाला है.
Thank you so much guys for watching this insightful episode of Moms Unmuted till the end. अगर आपको ये episode अच्छा लगा या आपको helpful लगा, don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe, like and comment करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना.